Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my bonnets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. For this project I'm going to need a scissors, an elastic band, some pins and some satin fabric. For a regular bonnet I cut it into 12 inches and my elastic band into 21 inches. So right now I already cut my fabric into 2 circles. So if you want to watch a video on how I cut my fabric, please let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do a video for you. So right now I'm kind of positioning the fabric with the shining sides facing each other. So right now I'm doing a reversible bonnet, so I'm going to be using the black and the other color. So I'm going to have the shining sides of both fabric facing each other and the dull side on the outside. So what I'm going to do is make sure they are aligned. If they're not perfectly aligned, that's okay. You can cut the edges at the end of the day. So I'm going to align them. I'm going to put some pins that's going to help me to sew. And I'm going to make sure I leave an opening that will help me to reverse the fabric once I'm done sewing. So let's watch and see how it goes. After which I'm gonna do a little lines. I'm gonna cut little lines all around the fabric. That way when I reverse it, it'll be easy for me to iron it flat without any bumps or anything like that. So as you see, that's what I'm doing right now. After cutting, what I do now is locate the hole that I left out, and then I'm gonna reverse my fabric as you're seeing right now. So I'm gonna get the dull side of the fabric inside and the shiny part outside. So and I'm going to take my iron and make sure I iron the fabric to be flat. That way it'll be easier for me to sew the second line all around. That way I can put my elastic band. easier that way. Some other people use like a bodkin, I think that's how to call it. I don't know, but you can use whatever tool you think it will be easier for you. But Satin pin so far is good. I hope I'm gonna try some other tools in the future, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. But basically, that's what I do. I try to push the elastic through and through. Right now, I already got my elastic through. What I'm gonna do is make sure it is straight. So I'm gonna pull the fabric all out, and I'm gonna have my elastic together and sew them on my machine. That way it'll be easier for the elastic to be flat while it's inside. So here is my tag that I created. I already have a video on how I make my tags. So I'm gonna use this tag and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna insert it right on the opening that was left out in order to reverse the fabric. So that's why I'm gonna sew my label. Right now that's what I'm doing, and once I'm done sewing, that's it about our bonnet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and comment what you think, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.